Lion's Sight. Services for the blind and visually impaired. Graphic of a lion's head in black and white on a gray background. And the Oakmont Visual Aids review continues. Which is taller? Next page is two trees. We have candles, and they've got a nice little yellow flame with a blue candlestick. Very nice. Houses, which have some interesting texture on them and some drawings on them. We have people. We have a cutout of people made out of foam people. I don't know what these are. These are like green crayons, I'm guessing. Which is taller? There's 3 of them. Rough or smooth? All right, let's find out. Yeah, those are both rough, and they're both different kinds of rough, but they're both rough. Very clever. This is rough. This is smooth. Very good. Which is rougher? Okay. That's interesting. Which is smoother? Which is roughest? Yep. Very clever. Which is smoothest? Very good. Love it. Which is longest? We're going to just hammer through this one, and then I'm going to swap the battery. Which is longer? Yep. Okay, which is shorter? Good, clever. Hammer, like the hammer, that's cool. Reminds me of the Pink Floyd hammer from The Wall. Which is shortest? Yep. Bar graphs, that's also another, concept developer right there. You could talk about bar graphs to turn this vertical. Now you are teaching them about bar graphs. Very clever. And of course, the one that is shortest has a green visual indicator. Very good. All right, I gotta change the battery real quick. Big or little? Let's see here. Big or little? Do 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 do. Lou, 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 Lou. Who sings that? Which character sings that? From South Park. Lou, 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 Lou. His name is Butters. That's me. That's still PG. Okay, we've got 2 ducks, 2 little ducks. Well, one's big, one's little. Foam, got 2 gingerbread men, big and little. And then we got 2 flowers. Okay, next one is like Scotty dogs, big and little. Which one is big? Which one is little? 2 diamonds, different colors for visual indicating, for residual vision learners. Which one is bigger? 2 different textures. And then, these pages are stuck together. Which is little? And it's 2 ice cream cones. There's pink fabric for the ice cream cone, and then texture for the cone itself. Pink ice cream with textured cones. Very, very good. Now I am Count Dracula, because I have not slept and I am losing my mind. Okay, which is bigger? We've got 2 trees that are next to each other. They're cut out of fabric. They look very nice. Let's see here. Now we have a group of red hearts, 2 butterflies on the next page, some triangles on the following page, different sizes. Okay, we got 2 elephants. Very nice. Some stars, groups of stars, and that's the end of that one. Very good. And then I'm going to put this box away, and you're going to see this massive pile of stuff. Because everybody loves stuff. But seriously, everybody does love stuff. Especially when the stuff is super useful, like these materials. Okay, so this is interesting. Trying to show fractions. They've got an underlying circle and an overlaying circle. And these are very similar in amounts, which is cool. They didn't do the obvious thing, which is make one into the value of a half and make one into the value of a quarter. I actually like the fact that they make this one a third, because you have to spend time, exploring it. Like, I could imagine like pinching my fingers together and feeling out to the edge, and then doing that here. And then they're also oriented differently, so you have to really like explore it and figure it out. Or maybe you use the smoothness of the underlying shape to figure it out. Like this one you can tell it's a half because you've got that straight line, but you know. Yeah, some of these are really cool. Oh, that's awesome. So there's sets of 4, but then the Velcro changes. So here, this one is rough and these ones are smooth. And that's 1/4 for half. On the right side, they're rough. So that's consistent, right? Because there's 1 over here that's rough. There's now 2. And now there's 3 going from right to left. Very clever. Love the consistency. That's essential for concept development. Simplifies the variable, makes the child focus on the very specific nature of the concept, establishes object permanence because across the sets there is consistency, reduces confusion. Very well thought out. Very, very well thought out. Not as clear-cut as you think it would be. Great, you've got the 1 dozen here. You can count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can say that's 6 and that's half, that's 6, that's another half. The whole set is 12. They're kind of like evenly spaced. They mirror each other, right? There's a point here, there's a point here. Cut it in half and you can see that. Then here, the shape is more like the side of a die, which is useful because if you have tactile dice, the kid's going to feel this and be introduced to the concept of 6, which they would get off of a tactile die. Very, very clever. Very, 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 very clever. Okay, we're getting towards the bottom. We're getting to the home stretch. Soon I shall be able to sleep the sleep of the dead. Wahahaha. This is what happens when you are in grad school. You stay up all night, and then when you get done with your work, you do video reviews of visual aids. Okay, this is larger, smaller. So 2 bunny rabbits. Oh, there's 2 dogs. They look like an Irish Terrier. One has like the beard on the face. Some trucks. And then, oh, flowers. 2 different size flowers, 2 different size trucks. Very well made. You can tell the salient features from the way it's cut out. Cool book. Okay, sequences. So which shape is first? We got 3 apples, and they put a rubber band around the inside of it, so that kind of put a line through one of them, but that's okay. We've got a plane, butterfly, a bird, trying to figure that out. Flower, tree, clover, and then the tree, it's like a triangle with a little stump, so you got to kind of like identify the tree by the stump. We got a sun, a moon, and a star. You got to identify which is which. Then we got a triangle, a diamond, and then a circle, and then we got a cool one here. This is unique. These are really well cut out. There's a pig, a cat, and then I believe a bunny rabbit. And I really like how these are cut out. Very wonderfully made, handmade, cool cutouts. Really like this. These are all handmade. These are all delicately cut out. See you in the next clip. Lion's Sight. Regular updates on blind and visually impaired tutorials will be available for all kinds of topics. Thanks for watching.